Hello, tech lovers. I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some amazing God mode prompt that is going to change your content, it's going to change your business using ChatGPT. Are we excited? If you're not using ChatGPT for your business, I don't know if I should say maybe you're sleeping or you're backward in the technology world. As we all know, ChatGPT is now the trending AI that has been trending for a while now. And I will encourage us to grab this prompt prompts I'm going to be giving us. I will just be showing you like 5 of them, and it's going to be a life changing for every one of us. Okay, is this what you want? Keep watching this video, and I have something to tell us at the end of this video. Okay, so please watch to the end and let me know the best prompts that you would use, or are you using for your content right away. Okay, see you. Let's dive to the tutorials without any. I'm also going to let you know that these are the prompts that I use for my content creator, for my content writing, for my blog, anything I want to use to do regarding my business. I use this prompt, and I decided that out of so many prompts that I use, let me share it with you. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just dive straight to my laptop, and I will show you the 5 prompts. So my number one prompt is about affiliate marketing, okay? And it's going to be like, tell me something new that many people don't know about affiliate marketing. You can put, depending on your niche, about digital marketing, about influencer marketing, about Instagram, about social media. Like, tell me something new that many don't know about social media marketing, website development, people don't know about the cats, different types of animal, depending on your niche. Okay, so now it's going to give us the prompts. So it's giving it to us, and if you don't want this prompt that it gave us, it said one lesser known aspect of affiliate marketing is the concept of deep linking. Deep linking involves creating hyper. I'm not going to read all that. If you don't want this, right, then you can generate this, and you can make this also like an article, right? You can say, tell me something new that many people don't know about affiliate marketing. Brief, kindly give me like 100 words articles on this, okay? And it's going to give it to us. Now let me go to number 2. So number 2 is like, generate a unique article on affiliate marketing. On affiliate marketing, okay? Then I press enter. It depends on your niche, as I said earlier on. You can say digital marketing, on website development, on, you want to know something about electronics, right? Write an article, generate a unique article on that, depending on the type of article you want to write, okay? And it's going to give you a tantalizing topic also, as it's giving me. Like, it's giving me a topic, it's giving me an introduction, how an article is meant to be. Okay, so it's generating it for me. It's saying, in today's digital landscape, affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy for individuals and businesses alike to generate revenue. If you're not doing affiliate marketing as a side hustle or full time, I don't know, that's the best and easiest way to make money online. So now it's giving us this prompt that we're going to be using. If I'm going to use it for my blog, I'm going to repurpose it, and or I just copy it and paste, add some of the things for myself. I'll add to it and I post it on my on my blog. Okay, so it's giving it to us. So now this my number two has been written, and this is it. Then I will be giving us my number three prompt, which is generate. The word generate. Generate 100, no, generate 1,000 words or more on affiliate affiliate marketing. Okay. As I said earlier, so it depends on your niche. You can say on website development, on the example, on the best lamp. Just put your niche, okay? And I will put enter. So it says affiliate marketing unleashing the potential of a profitable. Yeah. So it's giving it to us. Affiliate networking, benefit of merchants, cost effectiveness, increased reach and brand exposure, benefit of affiliates, passive income, And if you don't want any of this, you can always continue to generate. You can always regenerate response. And I'm going to put continue to generate. So this is an article is writing for you. So if you don't want this, you can always regenerate, and you can always tell ChatGPT to expand more. Expand more. So as you can see, it's giving us further. Number seven, yeah, build trust and credibility. So you can always regenerate the response. And my number four prompt is you can tell ChatGPT to say, please write in a tone of Obama. Let me just use that as an example. Obama writes in a funny, chatty way, and you click enter. Okay, so this is just a friendly and interactive writing. So my final prompt here is generate generate a plagiarism free affiliate affiliate marketing article article. Okay, so plagiarism. So we click enter. So as you can see, it's giving it to us. You can as well upload this on your blog, and it's very you can repurpose it, you can tweak it, and you can always talk to ChatGPT like a friend, as if you're talking to your friend. Talk to ChatGPT as if it's your personal assistant. Anything you're bothered about, just come here. Just tell ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give you the solution. Okay? I've come to the end of this prompt, and thank you for watching till now. So, are we excited for this prompt? Let me know in the comment section. Are you going to be using this prompt right now using ChatGPT? And are you hearing ChatGPT for the first time? Don't tell me no. Okay. So if you're using ChatGPT for the first time, as I said, you have to sign up. It's free right now. Let's make use of this AI. And there are lots of AI tools that have also been introduced, which is so amazing. So stick to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and share out this video for amazing content coming your way. My name is Bumi. I'm a digital marketing consultant. If you need a one-on-one service with me, my link is going to be in the description box. And I'm also a website developer. Anything regarding branding your business, anything regarding your online presence, then you need to get in touch with me. Okay, let's build that business online for you. So I have an amazing gist, amazing news for us. I created my first course on Udemy. I'm so happy. So I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. Go purchase your course on ChatGPT. The course that I put on that Udemy, you will not find it on YouTube. I bet it with you. And they are unique videos that you will gain value, and it's going to help your business also. It's called ChatGPT for business growth. Okay, so without any further ado, support me in this business, support me in this my first course. Go grab your course on Udemy at a very affordable price and contact me for your one-on-one. If you need any of my services, check my description on how you get in touch with me. Okay, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye for now. And please do not forget to share this video, like it, and subscribe.